I am Edu Ribeiro and welcome to 2-Minute Jazz. And you know what that rhythm that I just played now has in common? Every rhythm was with the same subdivision in 16 notes, and all of this rhythm has the same time signature, 2-4. And all of these rhythms was a Brazilian rhythm. And that's something that people maybe don't know, that even they are different rhythms, you could combine this rhythm. You could play this rhythm in the same song. With some part you play samba and a different part you play a baião, or in the same part of the music you play both. And talking about the 16 notes, if you play samba, that is the most common Brazilian rhythm, you have the pandero, the tambourine doing tick, 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 that I'm going to imitate with my right hand on hi-hat or in the cymbal, and you have it. If you have to play a baião, you have the triangle that does tiki 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 tiki, that I'm gonna try to imitate with my hi-hat too. If you are going to play maracatu, the snare drum does the 60 note all the time. Even if in the rhythm there is no instrument, there is no percussion instrument playing all the 60 notes, the subdivision, the clave of the subdivision of the clave will be in 60 notes, as the afoxé from Bahia. That is one thing that we're gonna practice together here, the combination of this rhythm, okay? Happy practicing!